Nearly 2 decades ago, a visionary idea began to take root, one that would redefine the future of sustainable design. Back in 2005, siblings Samuel and Teresita Cochrane, inspired by the elegance of nature, developed a graduate thesis that imagined solar panels not as rigid rectangles but as dynamic living elements of architecture. That idea blossomed into Solar Ivy, a stunning fusion of art, science, and renewable energy. Solar Ivy is a modular solar solution modeled after ivy vines. Instead of climbing leaves, it uses lightweight, flexible photovoltaic leaves mounted on a steel mesh that can be draped across walls or curved around buildings, just like natural foliage. But these leaves don't just decorate, they generate power. Each solar leaf is customizable in shape and color, making it perfect for blending into both natural and urban landscapes. There are 3 types of solar leaves available. Amorphous silicon leaves, $23 each, produce 0.75 watts. Seg's thin film leaves, $21 each, offer a powerful 4 watts per leaf. Organic leaves, $18 each, made from non-toxic materials, generate 0.5 watts. A typical home setup with around 500 leaves can generate 250 watts, enough to power lighting, small appliances, or offset grid usage. Designed to last up to 35 years, the system is scalable, maintainable, and especially ideal for older buildings that can't support heavy rooftop panels. What truly sets Solar Ivy apart is its adaptability. Whether on school campuses, train stations, or backyard patios, it integrates seamlessly without sacrificing beauty. Its mesh base makes installation simple on nearly any surface, and it opens up exciting design possibilities, even simulating the warm hues of autumn leaves while harvesting solar energy. And now, the next evolution has arrived: photovoltaic moss. Inspired by nature once again, this innovation uses thinner, denser, horizontal panels mimicking moss on garden walls. Designed for balconies, terraces, and compact urban spaces, it's turning everyday environments into micro-power plants. From ivy to moss, this biomimicry-based solar technology is reshaping how we think about green energy, not just as a utility but as a living part of our built world.